Next we're ready to hook power source up to the winch. Now this is a standard jump box. They come in different amps. This is a little larger one. You can get at any automotive parts store. I got this one at Harbor Freight. They'll run you anywhere from $50 to $75 or $80. Some of them have an air compressor for tires. Some of them are just power. It's got a little light in front in case you need that. And instead of having a battery mounted to the trailer, so it's another thing I have to maintenance, have to keep charged, have to replace, have to try to keep from getting stolen, I use this box. You turn the power on. It's just like jumping a vehicle. This just has a battery in it. We're going to hook their negative ground to a negative lead. I'm going to take our positive lead and hook it up like that. Get that out of the way of the vehicle. Now the winch has got power to it, and we're ready to pull the vehicle up on the trailer.